Your exams are approaching fast, but you can't concentrate. You find the subjects boring and you don't feel like studying. But have you heard of the saying that push yourself because nobody else is going to do it for you? Hello everyone, I am Vinny and today I am back with one more interesting topic which is about how to stay motivated while studying. So today, specifically for all the students, I have crafted 5 important tips which will help you to stay focused, stay motivated and stick to your goal while studying. If I bring a very big tasty cake for you, will you eat all at once? No. What you will do is you will cut it into small pieces and eat it nicely, right? Same goes for your subject or any content you want to study. At first it might look really big and you might be confused that from where should I start and how should I start studying this subject as it is so huge and you get confused. So what you have to do is you have to divide the whole content or the whole topic into small parts. Divide it into small chunks so that you can nicely prepare all those small parts and finally you will be done with the whole subject. In life, if you want to achieve something, always set goals for yourself. If you don't have goals in life, you will not feel motivated to do something good. For some people, setting up long-term goals work really well, whereas for some people, setting small-term goals work like magic. So what you have to do, if you are a person who gets motivated by setting up long-term goals, then you can set up goals for yourself like I want to become a very famous doctor, I want to get job in this company, or else you can set really small-term goals for yourself like getting really good marks in this examination, becoming a topper in your class. Something like that can work really well. So try to set goals for yourself. Make a proper timetable or a study routine for yourself and stick it where you sit to study. Stick it on a wall which is around your table or wherever you sit and study. So that what will happen, your body will slowly get accustomed to follow that routine. For example, some people like to get up really early in the morning and then study. And some people like to study till late at night. So according to your body clock, according to your routine, select the time and make a timetable accordingly. So that slowly, maybe in 1 week, 2 weeks or maybe a month, your body gets used to following a certain routine. And when you come into that routine, it becomes really easy to get motivated, to stay motivated and study. See, now this is a very interesting tip actually. Use of very colorful and bright colored stationery. For example, when I used to study, I used to keep 4 or 5 different colors of pen, like green, red, blue, pink. So that what happens, now and then I can just change the color of pen and make notes with different colors. So actually it keeps the boredom away. And when you look at your notes or when you look at your notebook where you are jotting down all the notes, important things, it just attracts you, it just helps you to make you more concentrated, and in this way it helps you. Like you can have different colors of sticky notes, you can have different colors to just highlight the important points, you can have different colored pens like that. Using very cute and very nice and very colorful stationery can help you to stay motivated. The fifth and the most important tip of the day is Pomodoro technique. Our human brain is made in such a way that it will always try to resist us from whatever goal we have. Like for example, a person who is very much into gaming will not be able to concentrate and stay motivated to study, and they'll, in the back of the mind, it will always go like Pokemon Go and PUBG and all those things will keep on going. The person will feel that I should go and play for some time and then again I'll come back and I'll study. Something like that will keep on happening. I'll just feel that okay, it's 9 o'clock and my favorite show is coming on the TV. So I'll feel distracted. My brain will give me signals again and again that this is a time where I can do something else also. But what we have to do, we have to resist that inertia and we have to get back to study. So for that, what you can do, there is a technique called Pomodoro technique. In this technique, what is done is you have to set a timer. You have to set timer for 25 minutes. And before setting the timer, just select the topic which you are going to study. For example, if I am studying solar system, so about Earth, I have selected the topic Earth. So for first 25 minutes, I'll study everything about Earth. So as soon as I switch on the timer, my time starts to study about Earth. So I have to focus completely, my mind will be focused, okay, I have 25 minutes and I have to read this much, I have to complete this much. Once the timer goes off, 25 minutes are off, I have to get up from my place. For 5 minutes, I can take the break, I can drink water, I can just roam around, I can have a look here and there. And then again I set the timer for 25 minutes. Like that, set timer for 25 minutes, and then in this way, you can be highly concentrated, highly motivated to study. So friends, I hope the tips I have shared today will be helpful to you to achieve all your goals and stay motivated while you study. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel.